Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, this is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure that you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on everything that you need to do to actually scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. So, this is one of the best times to actually win a cleaning contract. And you may be asking yourself, but maybe how do I know to do that? How do I actually find a cleaning contract? And how do I know who's looking for a cleaning company like mine? You're probably asking yourself these questions, right? Well, there are 3 ways I'm going to actually show you how to attract your customers. They may seem simple, but by doing these, you are going to have a lot of customers. They have to be able to find you. Remember that. Most customers put in cleaning companies near me. So make sure your cleaning company comes up. Very important. They have to be able to find you. So, work really hard each day to get found in the search engines. That's one thing you can do. And Google is the #1 search engine, so get busy being found in Google. Yahoo and Bing are second and third. Pick up the phone with your script and make sure that you're making connecting calls. They're either early in the morning or late. That way you can talk to the owner. Making at least 30 phone calls a day will really help you reach your 200 contacts. Make sure you understand that that's what's required to build a 6-figure cleaning business. Using the right script will make all the difference in the world. You must have a daily system in place for attracting your cleaning customers, a system that's going to attract your ideal customers. Remember, it's a numbers game. Make sure to have your lead magnet on your website and collect these prospects as they're visiting you. You also need to have a cleaning system. They're in demand. Make sure to have a professional cleaning system. Not just anything, especially during these times more than ever. Do you have one? You really need to. During COVID, very, very important. COVID-19, you really need to have a system. So, do you have a system that's ready? Do you want to learn how to implement a system and so much more? Then make sure you sign up for my masterclass. Get the blueprint for building a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch. My escape method. Learn the exact system I use to bring all 3 of my businesses and get ready to take action now. See how to build a 6-figure cleaning business and put it on repeat. Make sure to register for my cleaning business masterclass. This masterclass is live and space is limited. You will learn the exact blueprint for building a 6-figure cleaning business like others have learned, and you'll look forward to it. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there.